Everybody, and I am Sal CAPANO, and happy Hump Day Wednesday, and welcome back for another exciting video. In this video, we are going to cover the latest on the 1400, but real good news on tax credit. Thumbs up what you can get when you file your taxes with your CPA and accountant. Yes, whenever you file your taxes, whenever your appointment is, book your appointment. I'm going to get right into it, the facts. Let me make it clear, I am not a CPA or accountant. CPA, did I say CPA? I wish I was this time of the year. But what I know from my CPA, what a great guy. And what I'm hearing from the IRS. Now, there's a windstorm here in Las Vegas. Look at these photos. Also, AOC in the spotlight on Twitter. She had to take a break back on what she's talking about and what she shouldn't be talking about. And one more thing. If you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit it. Sal, we haven't seen you with your Italian coffee in a while. Well, here we go. This is so good. If you're new to my channel, we kick back. I give you the facts. I'm in and out of meetings. Most of my information is from reliable source. I've been living in Las Vegas 22 years. Got to know representatives. Got into implementing PUA, unemployment. On this channel, we continue to talk about staying positive, stimulus checks for low income, tax credit, and a whole lot more money finances. And don't forget my second channel of cigars and politics will be launching out pretty soon. We're going to dive right into this video. Please share this video as it helps our station a chance to win a $50 bill from my pocket to yours and some Italian coffee. I had one subscriber say, send out some Italian prosciutto. Anyhow, prosciutto is ham in Italian. We're going to get right into the video. All right, here we go. An adult tax credit. You heard it right on this channel. I've been talking about it. A lot of you have been with me for a while. Oh, Sal was right. Now listen. Here's who qualifies for it. If you have worked and earned income, you have to earn income in the 2021 calendar year, less than $57,414, have a valid Social Security, U.S. citizen, and not filed a form of 2555. It's EITC, ranging between $1,500 to $6,000. Do not let this money stay on the table. In fact, my CPA was saying, great to talk about it. Old George there. Old George, he likes me saying old George. He said, yes, I'm glad you're bringing it up. Maybe we'll have a video together. This is important. Now, let me make it clear. If you're self-employed versus employee, I am not a CPA. I'm just saying to mention this to your H&R Block, your accountant. I recommend, in my opinion, if you can do it, pay a little extra, go to a CPA or an accountant, particularly if you're self-employed, and get the tax break. So this is a COVID pandemic tax break that you're entitled to. Again, anywhere between $1,500 to $6,000, depending if you're self-employed. Well, I'm not self-employed. If you're not self-employed, you're still eligible for these benefits. It's the Pandemic Relief Tax Credit, EITC. Now, they're also working on a, don't go anywhere, a big tax credit in the upcoming weeks. You heard it right. That they might do it at the end of the year for next year. That could be even more money. They're working on this new bill, along with child tax credit, and there's a possibility that you might add an adult tax credit on a monthly basic like child tax credit. A lot of people are asking me, Sal, do you think it's going to happen? Yes, I do think it's going to happen. If there's two things I think will happen, will be a child tax credit and adult tax credit. When? Again, it's in Joe Manchin, President Biden, and Congress, and hopefully they can get something in this bill soon. All right, I'm going to move on. We'll talk about that real soon again, future videos. Now, stay tuned. Oh, AOC, I want to cover this real quick. Look, people, you know me by now. I'm down the middle. I like her for helping out and voicing her opinion on PUA and bringing about retro pay, which doesn't look like it's going to happen, but you got to give her props for that, right? She takes a break from Twitter. That's good. She gets back on the first day, and she's bad-mouthing Joe Manchin. Now, you don't do that. You get back on Twitter, and how about those two police officers? Now, she's from the Bronx, New York. How about they're having a viewing today? How about your condolence to those two police officers? All right? How about that on Twitter? You don't have to go on Twitter and badmouth Joe Manchin. Why she's doing that is because he's holding out on this this Build Back Better. Sorry, guys. Well, that's fine. Not on Twitter. There's other things. Two police officers. Yes, one they had a funeral last week, and now this week it was ambushed in New York, and she should be on there. A lot of these representatives, you know, where are they at when these people are dying? And this is on both sides. I'm going to jump right back into this video. So a windstorm in Las Vegas, Nevada. My wife said she was going to California. The car was like this, like that, like this. Palm trees. Forget about it. All right. So let's talk about the $1,400. But before I do, a little sip of coffee. Well, that is good. This has got me talking fast. Well, I'm also talking fast. I like to keep these videos kind of short. You guys got things to do. I want to say one thing before I jump into this $1,400. And I'm very optimistic it's going to happen. thank you so much once again. I continue to say, look at these shirts. Now, I've ordered some more shirts, and I'm going to have I have a member-only channel, or Patreon. It's the lowest $1.99. You don't have to. I'm just letting everybody know. You'll get a shirt and a hat, some coffee on that automatic, and it helps the channel out. Look, 80% I'm going to give back out. 20% will help the channel continue to move. I just love these shirts. I give them out a lot when I reached 1,000. So subscribe and share this video as it helps our channel out. Let me jump back in to the 1,400 because there's a lot of misconfusion out there on other channels and stuff. And it's okay. They're almost on the right track. But here we go. It's being worked on. The 1,400 is a senior low income. Now, they're not giving an amount to low income. Why they're saying 1,400, how this spread out and leaked out in Congress is because that's what President Joe Biden gave on his only stimulus check. Remember, Trump gave 2, not that we're competing. Joe Manchin, Joe Biden, all these Joes over here. So it's just getting a lot of talk and support. Will it happen before the government shutdown in February 18th? It could. Maybe not. I don't want to get your hopes up. That's where you're hearing about this 14, but it's for low income, COVID-19 pandemic. They're trying to figure out how they're going to orchestrate that and give that out to the American people, or maybe they won't. So what we're looking at is an adult tax credit, child tax credit, and we're looking at possible stimulus check for the last time. Again, there's money. I continue to say if you're new to my channel, and thank you for joining. There's a lot of money. $800 billion that's left over in Congress from the American Rescue Plan and Trump's CARES Act 2 that they can simply use that money, give out stimulus check, and not cause inflation instead of bringing down interest rates. So a lot of talk. I know subscribers will come in here. Yes, a lot of talk and no action. Look, I'm not backing them up. I am down the middle, but should it have been done a minute ago or a month ago, as they say? Yes, absolutely. You all know that, but I'm just reporting the news and telling you what's happening. Look, I work hard on these videos. I'm in and out of meetings. Today, no meeting. I'm glad to be in my house. I'm going to train a few clients. But anyhow, back to the video itself. But I work hard, so it's nice. I put a lot of effort in. I get the facts. I'm pretty accurate, not to be smart. I'm off a little bit sometimes, but I'm getting inside information that a lot of YouTubers don't get. So I really appreciate hitting the like button, subscribing to our channels. We can build our community up and give out a lot more bigger winners. The sandstorm is horrendous. We're living in Las Vegas. I love it. Whereas 2 times a year I don't like it, and that's when it's 125 degrees. Yes, and these sandstorms. It just gets in your eyes, the cold. It's in your house. You can't breathe. Hey, everybody. I want everybody to have a blessed day. Have some coffee out. It's a nice day in the West Coast, a little cold. Say hello to somebody. It's right there. All right? Tomorrow's another day, and there's always a solution on my channel. I will be back tonight. Maybe I'll go live. Maybe I'll be live in a sandstorm. Everybody have a safe day. No, really, be safe, stay positive. Something will happen for the American people. Ciao.